So I'm going to tell you quickly how to do a relay. There's lots of videos on YouTube on how to do a relay, but this is an old 800 Razor. It's in really good condition, but it doesn't have the terminal block or the bus bar on the front to tap into. So a relay is actually a really good choice for almost all machines. And again, there's a lot of videos online on how to wire a relay, but basically 30 is your load coming, or is your battery power, your input power. So the power coming straight off my battery, there it is right there, it's fused with my 10 amp fuse. That's the number 30 terminal. 85 is the ground, so all the grounds are tied together in the ground, and the ground comes straight off the battery and gets grounded and goes up into the console as well. So all the grounds get tied together. And then 87 is the power going to the comm, or the load. So 87 is this wire right here on the back. And then all it needs is an 86, which is the power coming from an ACC, or power coming from a switch. And in this case, I just tied it into, you can see it right there, that little blue tie-in. I tied it into the cigarette lighter. So when the cigarette lighter powers up, because it powers up with the key, it causes this little switch. That's what that little line is meant for. So when it powers up 85 to 86, it creates a magnet and it pulls the switch over to 87. So 30 and 87 become contact. So the comm becomes powered directly from the battery. So that's where we're at. So you can see right now the comm is powered down. As soon as I turn the switch, you can see the comm lights up and I have power. Now if I turn the switch off, you see everything goes off.